These keishi pearl earrings are super sweet and so easy to make. To get started making these beautiful earrings, you will need 2 earring wires. These are 2 little circles, abalone shell with 2 connectors on each side. These are keishi pearls and they have the hole drilled through the center from top to bottom. You'll need 2 jump rings and 2 head pins. These are 2-inch head pins. For tools, you'll need bent chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and flesh cutters. I already made one side, so let's do the other. I'm going to take my jump ring. I already opened it up. I'm going to add it to one side of my abalone shell. I'm going to put on my circle, and then I'm going to close up my jump ring. Then I'm going to open up my earring wire by turning it to the left, slipping on my circle, and closing it back up. Now let's work on making the keishi pearl. I put my 2-inch head pin through my pearl. I'm going to put my fingernail right at the top of the pearl, and then I'm going to push the wire to the back. I'm going to cut my wire about 1 centimeter from the pearl. And then I'm going to come in with my round nose pliers, and I'm going to roll the wire towards me until I make my loop. Then I'm going to come in with my chain nose pliers and turn the loop to the left to open it up. I'm going to hang on my connector and close it back up. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.